Jason Schultzen here with Kafka Granite. We are proud to be a sponsor of this year's Wausau Area Builders Association Parade of Homes. As like many of the homes are, our facility is also under construction. Let's go in and take a look. Here's a sneak peek of our office and showroom. We're adding a few offices. And we're very excited to highlight our flagship thin veneer material, our Galaxy Glitter, which will be featured in this year's parade. We also have large displays of all of our other products that we have for thin veneer, cut stone. Also have brochures, sample boards, and lots of our large displays. Proud to be part of this year's Parade of Homes. We thank all those who put in the work and the effort to make these wonderful homes happen, and to all the things that go behind the scenes as well. Enjoy the parade.